Now this is question 7B2 from March 2021, question paper 4.2. Now, they would like you to suggest the skeletal structure of R, which is a product from reaction 2 in a reaction scheme given. Now, I'll go to the next slide to show you the reaction 2. Now, proline reacts with ethanoyl chloride, we will get R. Okay, so let's go and look at the example given. Now, this example is given to you to actually to guide you to reach your answer, to get a structure for R. But of course, they don't use proline as the example. Okay, that will be too easy. So they give you another compound with secondary amine functional group. So in this case will be dimethylamine reacting with a general acyl chloride. That's why they put R to represent the alkyl group. Then this is the product given. Now I've copied the structure of proline from the slide in the reaction scheme, which shows the reaction scheme. So this is the structure of proline. We can just follow this equation exactly. But of course, this structure doesn't look exactly like the format of this dimethylamine. So what do I do is, okay, I'll just rotate this structure to make it look like this format. So you can see that NH, okay, NH, H is on the right hand side of N, okay, right. Now, of course, you know, the alphabets are also rotated, so I'll recopy this structure. Okay, we have a pentagon. Then I have the functional group COOH. See, I follow this one, okay, so that I can follow even the angle of the products. Now, of course, in the reaction 2, this is no longer an R. Okay, this is CH3, COCl. So now, you see, I can follow, okay, the N, this N. Okay, so I write down the N. But of course, I cannot follow this example because I'm using proline. I'm using proline here, not dimethylamine. So I have to copy this whole thing from proline. Because you can see that in the example given, this N is still bonded to the 2CH3. So that means this whole part, okay, was not involved in the reaction. So let's copy the structure. Okay, no change. Now, what has changed is this H is now, okay, COR, right? So it will be CO and CH3. And the byproduct is still the same, HCl. But, okay, they want the skeletal structure of R. Okay, so let's convert this to skeletal structure. Skeletal structure means you are not supposed to show the carbon skeleton together with the hydrogen. So let me use another color. Right, convert this to a skeletal structure. Of course, in the exam, you have to draw in the space given. Because I'm converting, so I'm using an extra space here. Now, in skeletal structure, you can show, okay, you can show nitrogen. You can also show oxygen, including the hydrogen in the OH. Yeah, so this whole thing still the same. Okay, now this part we are not supposed to show C, right? This is C double bond O. Okay, and CH3 you don't have to show, you just show it as one dot like this. So this represents CH3. So this would be the structure of R. And that's our answer.